In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enter and exit trades on Tradovate through TradingView. By the end, you'll be connected to your Tradovate account inside TradingView, know exactly how to place buy and sell orders with the right settings, and confidently close positions when you're done. First, connect your account. Open the trading panel at the bottom of the TradingView chart. In the list of brokers, select Tradovate, click it, and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll see your Tradovate connection confirmed in the trading panel, and TradingView will be ready to route orders to your account. Now let's enter trades. To open the order entry panel, either click directly on the price scale where you want to interact with price, or use the buy and sell buttons at the top left of the chart. Either action opens the same order ticket. Choose your order type. For immediate execution, select Market. A market order fills at the best available price right now. If you want a specific price, select Limit. A limit order will only fill at your chosen price, or better. Pick the type that matches your plan so you avoid unintended fills. Set your parameters before sending the order. Enter the contract quantity that fits your strategy. Then set your stop-loss level to define your maximum risk. You can type in a price, use an offset, or adjust it visually if the panel allows. Next, set your take profit level to lock in profits at your target. These protective and exit levels help automate risk management as soon as the order is live. Double-check quantity, stop loss, and take profit to ensure they're correct for your instrument and time frame. When everything looks right, click Buy or Sell to send the order. If you chose Market, it will execute immediately, and your position will appear on the chart and in the Positions tab. If you chose Limit, the order will appear as a pending order at your specified price until it's filled. On the chart, you'll see lines or markers for your entry, stop loss, and take profit, which you can review at a glance. Next, let's exit trades. You can manage exits directly on the chart or from the Positions tab in the trading panel. On the chart, locate your active position marker. You'll see controls to close or adjust. In the trading panel, go to the Positions tab to view your open position. To close a single position, click the X next to the position on the chart or in the Positions tab, or use the Close button. TradingView will send the appropriate order to exit that position. If you have a stop loss and take profit attached, closing the position will also clear those linked orders. If you need to exit everything at once, use Flatten or Close All. Click Flatten to close all open positions and cancel all pending orders simultaneously. This is the fastest way to get flat and remove any working orders. Because this action affects your entire account, confirm it only when you're sure you want to close all positions and cancel all outstanding orders. After flattening, your Positions tab should be empty and there should be no open orders remaining. At this point, you've connected Tradovate to TradingView. Place trades using market or limit orders with your chosen quantity, stop loss, and take profit, and exited positions individually or all at once using Close and Flatten. Your trading workflow on Tradovate through TradingView is now set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.